Hello, EV enthusiasts! Today, we're excited to demonstrate how to download charging status logs from your Orientrise CCS2 to CHAdeMO EV Charging Adapter. First, let's take a look at what's inside the package. You'll find a charging cable, a USB cable, a USB flash drive, and a user manual. Now, let's follow the steps outlined in the user manual to complete the process. Start by locating the Type-C port at the bottom of the adapter. Plug the USB cable into the port, and then connect the USB flash drive to the other end of the cable. Next, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The indicator light will flash for 2 seconds and then turn off. This indicates that the charging status log has been successfully downloaded to the USB flash drive. Finally, insert the USB flash drive into your computer to access and read the log file. And that's it! Downloading your charging status log is quick and easy. Thank you for watching, and for more tips and tutorials, check out our other videos and visit our website. See you next time, and happy charging!